Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your birthday on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Adding your birthday to your Telegram profile bio can be a meaningful way to share personal information with your contact. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. If you haven't added your birthday on your Telegram will suggest you, will notify you, will remind you on your Telegram here. You can see at your birthday, but if it doesn't appear on your Telegram, you can just add your birthday by tap on the up left corner here and three lines over here. Now tap on settings, tap on privacy and security. You can scroll down, there is an option a date of birth. Here's to set who can see your birthday. It's set to my contact. And to add your birthday, you can just tap on the here, tap on my profile, tap on pen icon on there. Here's you can see your birthday. You can add the date of birth. Now you can choose the date. I will choose the birthday like this. Now we can tap on save. So here's your birthday on Telegram. You can tap on the up left corner here, checklist. So now you have added your birthday on Telegram. Don't forget, so that is how to add your birthday on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.